When you hit your last revenue goal of 5 crore, 8 crore, or 10 crore, tell me honestly how long that feeling of being a winner lasted. A day, a week, or a month? When business owners hit their revenue target, they feel very happy. They update LinkedIn, they share it with their client. But this feeling lasts only for a week. After a week, again, it is the same cycle of operation, tiredness, frustration, and then they start asking themselves, where is my freedom? Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about revenue illusion. If growth has made you more busy instead of giving you freedom, then this video will explain you why. Imagine you're hitting a revenue goal of 8 crores. 3 years back, you were at 2 crores, which means that your revenue has grown 4 times. Your team has grown even 3 times. If you look at externally, every metric shows that you're winning. And here is something nobody sees. At 2 crores, you worked for more than 70 hours per week, and at 8 crores, it is still 70 hours. But it's just that you have different problems to look at. At 2 crores, your phone never stopped ringing, and at 8 crores, it's just the same. But now you have more group chats. And at 2 crores, every decision was going through, and at 8 crores, it's just the same. Now you have more decisions to take. Let me tell you one funny incident. Once one founder told me, at the beginning, I had only 5 problems and no money. Today, I have 50 problems and also payroll to cover. It just shows that the problems got more expensive. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your goal is not revenue. Revenue is just a scoreboard. The real goal is your freedom. But you replace your goal with a metric, and now you're trying to optimize the wrong thing. I am Sunita Pidnekar, and I help business owners to grow from 5 crores to 50 crores by building systems so that their business scales up without their constant intervention. The most common thing I hear from business owners is that we are hitting higher goals, but it does not make us very happy. The reason? You're still working in the same operating system. It is only making you more busy and more frustrating. Let's look at 3 revenue illusion symptoms and 3 ways to fix it. Just think about the last 3 people that you hired. Did they reduce your work or just redistributed your work? You added capacity, but still you are the decision maker. You added new people who cannot take decision without you. So for every decision, they come to you and your time is getting blocked. In reality, you did not hire a team member. You hired just an extension of you. Once one owner said, I hired an operation manager to take care of operation. And now I sit with this operation manager for 4 hours to manage him. It is not delegation. It is stressing me. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your team is not a problem. Your system is. Your system is not created to work without you. Here is how you fix it with decision boundaries. Every team member needs to know 3 things. 1. What they can decide without you. 2. What genuinely needs your attention, input, and time. And 3. What good success looks like. Define these 3 things, and your team members can work within those boundaries, and they don't need your permission for everything. Let me ask you a simple question. What is your margin at 8 crores? Not revenue, the actual margin. It is very common that most business owners grow 2x, 3x, 10x within 3 years, but when they look at their margin, it is flat or sometimes even comes down. It's like this. You're chasing higher revenue target. You hire faster than your system gets ready. You're taking up projects which requires your personal time. All this makes your cost center even more chaotic. You will agree. Revenue is vanity, but margin is reality. Your LinkedIn says 10 crore, but your bank account is still worried how you're going to be making the next payroll payment. Here is the uncomfortable truth. If your margin did not grow with the revenue, you have only scaled your problems and not your business. Before you take on your next project, next client, please check. Is it going to be only increasing the revenue, or will it also help me to increase my margin? Remember, at 50 crores, you need more profitable, scalable, and repeatable opportunities. And everything else, you just need to say no. Why did you start the business? Don't give me the elevator pitch. I want to know the reason. The real reason is your freedom. You want to be proud in front of your family, friends, and everybody around you. And when was the last time you felt that way? Sometimes the number becomes the mission and you forget the why behind that number. Your business is technically successful but emotionally hollow. Let me share something frustrating and funny. Once my client said, Sunita, I created this business because I wanted freedom. But today, my calendar owns my day. I am no more enjoying my work. I'm just a slave. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Success without alignment is expensive headache. Finish this sentence. If my business was giving me what I actually wanted, my week would look like. Please complete this sentence. And don't just talk about revenue goals. Also look at your vision, why you want to do this business and how you want to get to that vision. Your North Star, what keeps you motivated every day to come to office. You did not build this business because you wanted to be busy. You built this business because you have a goal to attain, and that goal is not revenue but your freedom. Let me summarize the 3 fixes. 1. Decision boundaries. Your team operates without you. 2. Margin first growth. Profitable and not just bigger. Number 3. Reverse engineer your goal toward the life that you want. A last word. Freedom creates clarity, and clarity helps you to reach to your goal of 50 crore, 100 crore, or even 500 crore. If you are looking at scaling your business from 5 crore to 50 crore, then I invite to take the assessment which is given in the description.